Here with another knife. Man with the pot. Very simple design. I got big hands. The handle's a little small for my take. I like the big wide blade design. Let's check how it cuts. Very sharp. Again, this is right out of the box. I've done nothing with this. I'm just kind of going after like its natural feel. Let's check on the carrots. I like the way the blades, the blade has this really sharp curve to it, so you can really like use the blade as it's designed to kind of rock through your stuff. Let's try one of these tomatoes here. So I like how the blade is just thick enough so you can get a nice little slice of tomato if you wanted to. It doesn't really lend itself to like a big thick blade. It feels nice. A little simple in the way I feel it and the way I look at it. But overall, it's a decent blade. Nice utility knife or just an everyday kind of, choppy.